Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Computer science basic MCQs. The rightmost component of MS Windows taskbar is called Start button, Quick Launch bar, Notification area, Clipboard. The correct answer is Start button. Documents option of Start menu provides a list of recently used documents, a list of hardware and their drives, a list of application software, a list of utilities. तो डॉक्यूमेंट्स में जो रिसेंटली यूज डॉक्यूमेंट्स होते हैं वो दरअसल स्टोर होते हैं. द कीबोर्ड शॉर्टकट फॉर कॉपी कमांड इज Ctrl+X, Alt+C, Ctrl+C, Shift+Alt+C. The correct answer is Ctrl+C. ये दरअसल शॉर्टकट की है कॉपी के लिए. In MS Word, column is an option of Insert drop down menu, Format drop down menu, Edit drop down menu, Tools drop down menu. The correct answer is Format drop down menu. By default, a workbook contains 4 worksheets, 3 worksheets, as many worksheets as we want, no worksheet. Correct answer is 3 worksheet. By default 3 worksheet मौजूद होते हैं वर्कबुक में. A workbook file has .xls extension, .ppt extension, .bmp extension, .doc extension. Correct answer is .xls extension. Netscape Navigator is an email server, a search engine, a web browser, an ISP. The correct answer is a web browser. Netscape Navigator एक web browser है. The code representing the type of a website is 3 character, 2 character, 4 characters, 5 characters. The correct answer is 3 characters. वो कोड जो किसी वेबसाइट के टाइप को, किस्म को रिप्रेजेंट करता है वो दरअसल 3 characters पर मुश्तमिल होता है. A virus that is spread on a particular date is ping pong, stone, time bombs, logic bombs. The correct answer is time bombs. टाइम बॉम्ब्स वो वायरस होते हैं जो ख़ास डेट पे एक्टिवेट हो जाते हैं. डेटा प्रोटेक्शन एक्ट became law on June 15, 1984, August 7, 1988, July 12, 1984, September 10, 1990. The correct answer is July 12, 1984. इस डेट को डेटा प्रोटेक्शन एक्ट जो है एक कानून बन गया था. फाइल बैकअप्स may be created with the help of save command, save as command, copy command, cut command. The correct answer is save as command. Email hacking means finding email password, finding email address, finding email server, illegal access to open email account of others. The correct answer is illegal access to open account of other people.